Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. Today's video is going to feature a variety of spring and summer 2023 short haircut ideas. So if you have been dreaming of cutting your hair this season and you're looking for some brand new hot styles to try out yourself, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a gorgeous pixie hairstyle. Love how she's pairing this look with different earrings. You can have so much fun with shorter hair and earrings. And then we have this really cute pixie style, all blonde, followed by a shaggy curly bob. And she decided to chop it off and go with a curly pixie. Wow. Her hair texture is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have another haircut transformation. So she's going to be donating her hair and she decided to mix it up with this bob haircut. Bobs are always perfect for like the summer season. Here we have a longer bob style that comes to around the shoulders, followed by an undercut. Full shaven sides and back for this one. And then we have a pixie haircut featuring modern line details on the side. Loving that purple. Another play on the design in the back. And then we have a bob here. Beautiful bangs in the front. Followed by another bob haircut with bangs. And then we have another pixie. Gorgeous structured sideburns for that one. Swoop bangs in the front. Then we have another classic all black pixie cuts. Beautiful choppy texture for this one. Followed by another pixie. I love how this one, it features like shaven sides and the back. And it also features a nice hint of blonde going in the bangs. Very modern pixie style. So here we have more of like an asymmetrical pixie. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.